Hi, it's me again with the Corel Drill Tips and Tricks. I made a video earlier, and when I did that, I said I had hotkeys for my interactive fill tool, which is G, which is default. I added the F for Smart Fill Tool. I took the G away from that because when you draw two items and you want to group them together, you used to have to go Control G. Well, I made a hotkey for just G, and it groups those two together. Now, if I hit F, I get the Smart Fill Tool. So I want another hotkey for the interactive fill tool because I took that one away and I just realized I use it more than I think I do or thought I do. So I'm going to go to Tools, Options, Customization, and I'm going to go Commands. And I don't know really, I got it on macros, always go to Show All Items. And I'm going to go right here to the interactive fill tool and look, it shows me exactly where it is. So now I'm going to click, I've got it selected. So I'm going to go shortcut key. I'm going to type in I, artistic media tool, can't use it. No, can't, I was going to go interactive fill tool. You could always go control or alternate I. I don't really like two keystrokes, but until I figure out something better and assign it and then say, okay, now if we go over here and look, I've got interactive fill is that. So if I want to have this box and I want the smart fill tool, I'm going to fill it in with blue. And then if I want the interactive, instead of going over here and grabbing it, because I don't have these two separated, I'm going to go alternate I, and I have the interactive fill tool that I could do anything I want to with. You can make any key a hotkey, and if, well, I missed the mark. You have to put it right on that line. And, you can do so much with this. It's really cool. I like the blue because it makes it look like shiny metal, especially if you put black on both ends. And that doesn't look too good. Let's bring a little black a little closer in. It just makes it kind of look like a bow. I didn't do a very good job there. And you can always change it, put it in the middle. And you can always go up here and smooth it out. I don't normally do that because that to me looks kind of fuzzy. I mean, they both look fuzzy, but this has a line. So F for smart fill, alternate I, and if you think of something better, use it. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.